The Audio Circuits Cookbook provides a comprehensive collection of high-quality audio circuit modules, building blocks that readers can arrange to create complete audio devices. This book is intended for intermediate-level electronics hobbyists and students who want to design professional-quality audio devices without needing an engineering degree. It provides practical explanations of both simple and sophisticated audio circuits with minimal math and theory. It's definitely not a dummies book, but there's plenty for beginners, and many basics are included so nobody is left behind. Professional engineers will find much of value as well in the complete and tested circuits. More than 80 circuits are included, covering every aspect of audio circuit design, from basic elements such as active rectifiers, peak followers, oscillators, and simulated inductors, to complete professional quality devices, including compressors, equalizers, and microphone preamps. A number of musical instrument pedal effects are also provided, including an auto-wah, noise gate, fuzz tone, and phase shifter. Every type of active filter commonly used for audio is included and explained in detail, along with every audio circuit needed to build a complete analog synthesizer. The circuits in this book can be used and reused again and again, though readers don't even need to understand how they work. Of course, detailed explanations are provided using plain English. The filters chapter even includes a formant filter to emulate the sound of a human voice. But this book includes much more than just circuit building blocks and complete devices. The component tutorials go far beyond the basics of ohms and farads, including lesser-known attributes such as the logarithmic relation between semiconductor current and forward voltage drop, and using a diode as a variable resistor in a voltage-controlled attenuator or tremolo circuit. This book also explains surface-mounted devices, parasitic properties, which capacitor types are best for a given application, and it includes numerous charts and tables. The op-amps chapter explains the important parameters that affect audio circuits, including input noise, slew rate, high-frequency stability, and much more. Many types of active filters are used in audio, and all require tedious math calculations. To avoid that, this book includes a spreadsheet to calculate component values for you. For the math challenged, all of the formulas for filter types show how to solve for each variable based on any of the others. Additional formulas show how to solve for parallel resistors and to calculate error percentages. The microphone preamp section explains how to compute equivalent input noise, and from that, determine the signal-to-noise ratio you can expect. Also included are all of the audio circuits needed to create a complete Moog-style analog synthesizer. Other spreadsheets include decibel calculations for voltage differences, attenuator resistor values, and distortion amounts. The Ohm's law spreadsheet converts between any combination of amps, volts, ohms, and watts, and between RMS, peak-to-peak, and average voltages. Tutorials include advanced multi-layer PC board design using 2 terrific free programs as examples. Another tutorial explains the fabulous free LT-Spice program that greatly simplifies and speeds up circuit development while avoiding the need to spend thousands of dollars on parts and test equipment. For readers unfamiliar with LT-Spice, this amazing program from IC Maker Analog Devices provides a fully stocked virtual parts bin along with a full complement of test gear. You simply draw the schematic, then run it to see if it works. You can view any node in the circuit in oscilloscope view, or plot the frequency response in phase, or even display an FFT fast Fourier transform. Hundreds of components are included, and you can import others if models are available. One huge feature of LT-Spice is it can accept input from a standard WAV file and send its output to a WAV file. This really helps when designing audio devices, so you can actually hear how a circuit performs, not just see waveforms on an oscilloscope display. You'll never burn yourself soldering parts or blow up your last expensive precision op-amp. Then once the simulated circuit works as expected, you can buy parts and build the hardware, confident that it too will work as expected. The companion website hosts all of the circuits as files in the LT-Spice format, ready to copy into your own projects. This site also hosts the spreadsheets that calculate active filters and other audio-related formulas and equations. There's also a Word doc file containing links to all of the websites referenced as footnotes in each chapter, ready to be copied into your web browser. There really is nothing else available like this book. Author Ethan Weiner, that's me, has been a professional musician, composer, circuit designer, recording engineer, computer programmer, technical writer, and audio consultant since the late 1960s. I was a contributing editor for PC Magazine for many years, and I've written hundreds of feature articles for audio, music, and computer magazines such as Mix, EQ, Sound on Sound, and many others. My earlier book, The Audio Expert, also published by Focal Press, is now in its third edition. This 800-page book explains audio at the deepest, most technical level without needing an engineering degree. My cello rondo music video has received nearly 2 million views on YouTube and other websites. In 2002, I started the company Real Traps with my partner Doug Ferrara to manufacture bass traps and other acoustic treatment, which I continue to this day. Thanks for watching.